Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn a latest feature of WhatsApp in which we are going to see that they have announced a very new feature like Google Note where you are able to share your phone's screen with your fellow partner. So if it could be your girlfriend, it could be your brother, your father, if somebody is not understanding something, you can share your screen and guide them to click this and do this and do that. So it's a very simple process. So first of all, what you have to do, just click on WhatsApp. So these are my contacts. The second thing, you have to click on any person you want to talk to, you want to call to, and click on the video call because you want to make sure that it doesn't work on the audio call. You have to click on the video call first. And in here, I'm calling a person on the other side. So that would make me easy to, contact with them. You can see there are multiple options down there. And once the person picks it up, then it will be easy to share the screen with the video call. So I'm currently hiding my face. So you can now see that there are multiple options down there to share your screen. If I click on one of the options on that screen, there's on the second last option on the left side. You can see there is a person, and you see multiple options to start broadcasting. But the problem with this phone is I'm already recording this screen, so that's why the broadcasting option is not showing. If it was only a regular video call without a screen recording, I could have the start broadcasting option. In this manner, I will ask the other person to come on screen and share me their screen, because it would be easy for you that way to understand that how the screen is going to be shared. So I will request the other person on the other side of the call to come over and share their screen with me. So it will be easy for me to make sure that you get this point that screens can be shared. You can share it with your father, your mother, even if your father is not understanding something, that would make it easy for you to guide them to click this option or that option. So I'm talking to the other person, and boom, I'll ask them to share their screen, and they will share their screen now by clicking the same option as I have clicked, but they are using an Android phone, so there's a little bit another option. Now you can see they have shared me their screen. So this is their screen. This is their cell phone screen that they are sharing with me. Maybe the person is clicking it again and again, that's why it's getting blurred down. And you can see the screen is appearing on my cell phone, and I can tell them what to do, what not to do. Click here and right there. There you can see there's an option down there on their screen, which is again similar to the share screen on their recording option. So this is a very easy basic tutorial on how you can share your screen using WhatsApp. So before it was available on other websites. It was very hectic for us to guide parents. So this is very easy basic tutorial. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.